In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Squarespace website link quickly and easily. Whether you're just starting out or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and type in squarespace.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the main Squarespace homepage appear. This is your starting point for this simple yet essential task. Next, look for the Get Started button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking this button will guide you further into your site where you can manage and customize it. This essentially takes you into the dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, after clicking Get Started, you'll need to select your website. If you're like many of us, you may have multiple projects under your belt, so take a moment to choose the correct site from your list. If you've only got one, this will automatically be selected for you. Once you've selected your website, it's time to access the Settings panel. This is where you'll find various controls and configurations to tailor your site to your needs. You can locate the Settings panel easily. It's usually along the left sidebar after you've entered your site's back end. In the Settings panel, your next move is to find Domains. You can either scroll down to locate this section or use the search bar. The search function is particularly helpful if you're in a rush or just prefer a quicker route. Simply type in Domains and Squarespace will direct you right there. Here, you'll encounter what's called the primary domain. This is the official URL of your website. It's the address people will type into their browsers to visit your site, and thus it's important. Make sure to double-check that it looks right and is easy to remember. Finally, if your site is not yet published, you might notice something else, a default Squarespace URL. This typically looks something like your site name, squarespace.com. It's a temporary placeholder that Squarespace provides when your site isn't fully live to the public. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding your Squarespace website link. Remember, this URL is crucial for directing traffic to your site and is the cornerstone of your online presence. Be sure to make a note of it, especially if you're not ready to publish your site just yet. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.